Hey, what's up guys? This is Johnny Polo again with another video. I wanted to do a quick video, share something I'm very excited about with you guys. This is a Liga Privada 10 Anniversario humidor. This is a collaboration with S.T. Dupont. It's a beautiful, beautiful humidor that comes with its own cutter and lighter from S.T. Dupont. So let's get it unboxed. Let's take a look. Of course, I already opened it up. I couldn't wait, but here it is. So it has a thumbprint over here, and then it unlocks. And you guys, look at this. This thing is absolutely beautiful. When you look over here, you'll see the cutter, which this is the cutter and stand by S.T. Dupont. And this is a line 2 lighter by S.T. Dupont as well. Here's the cutter, really beautiful. The attention to detail in this is really great. Beautiful ping as well. Oh, and there's a different design on the back as well. Very, very happy with this purchase. I actually picked it up from a local lounge here in St. Louis, Missouri. They're actually in Chesterfield, Missouri. It's called the Lit Cigar Lounge. Here it is. So you can take the trays out. And then over here, these are the boxes that the lighter and the cutter came in. There's another tray that you can remove as well. And you can put all the cigars over here. And it comes with a charging cable that's going to be for the thumbprint reader over here. Or fingerprint. I just set it up for my thumb. But yeah, here it is. Let's check it out from the outside as well. This thing is gorgeous. So this is gonna be actually a display piece at my new house. And I'm very, very excited about it. Yep. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you like it, I'm very happy with the purchase. You guys have a wonderful day and stay tuned for more videos. I've been working really hard to make multiple videos. So I'm gonna cover a couple of new humidors that I just got as well. Those are cooladors. They're on the smaller side. They're gonna be actually my office humidors moving forward. So those videos are coming up, and then I do have a couple of other videos planned. So stay tuned. And again, thank you so much for the support. We just hit 2,000 subscribers and I couldn't be happier. So I am so thankful for all the support and love you guys show me, and stay tuned. A lot of great things are going to happen in this channel. Thank you so much.